English listening every day. Do you want to unlock English without feeling lost? Imagine if just by listening a few minutes every day, English words started to flow inside your head like a song you can't forget. Today I'm going to show you how simple it can be. But first, ask yourself this. How much time do you really listen to English each day? Not watch, not read, listen. Most learners do not listen enough, and that is why they feel nervous when they speak. I remember the first time I listened to English every day. At first, it felt strange, like noise, like my brain could not hold it. But slowly, something changed. My mind started to catch small sounds, then small words, then whole sentences. I didn't understand everything, but I felt something grow inside me. You can have this too. You don't need big lessons. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need daily listening. Start small. 5 minutes when you wake up. Play an English podcast, a story, or a song. Don't stop yourself because you don't understand. Close your eyes and let the sounds fill your ears. This is how babies learn. They listen first. The more you listen, the faster your mouth will copy. You may ask, but how can I think in English before I speak? Here's the trick. Listen and repeat in your head. Imagine the words in your mind. Picture them like small images. When you hear good morning, see the sun rising. When you hear thank you, see a smile. This makes English alive in your brain. Ask yourself right now, what is one time today you can listen to English? While walking? While cleaning? While waiting for a bus? This is your hidden learning time. Use it. Every time you listen, you build a small bridge inside your brain. Step by step, the bridge becomes a highway. Soon your mouth will move faster. Soon English will not feel foreign, it will feel like yours. I know it feels hard. I know sometimes you think, I don't understand. Maybe I should stop. Don't stop. Think about the day you started learning your first language as a baby. You didn't understand either, but you listened. You heard your parents, your friends, your teachers. Then you spoke. This is the same. Listening is not a test. It is a gift. So make a promise to yourself today. Every day, even for 5 minutes, listen to English. Make it a habit like brushing your teeth. Make it a habit like drinking water. You will not see the change in one day, but after 30 days, you will feel it. After 90 days, people will notice. And one day, without fear, you will speak and surprise yourself. If you want more tips like this, if you want more real English practice, like this video, comment below with "I will listen" to make your promise, and follow for more English learning content. Your future self will thank you.